Come on, hold on, hey, I'm a stoner, summer, minute, Hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surf up, wave, pop it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is from HAIRVIVI. She is a very short bob. Everything about her will be in my description box below. This is my first reaction on this wig because, child, what's this? Like, the wig was giving Edna, it was giving Dora, blonde version. It was giving mushroom, like, I don't know. I did not really care for this hair in the beginning. I honestly did not like how they cut this hair up and how it was layered. The layers were all over the place, but you got to keep watching because I see why they did what they did, y'all. Honestly, after styling this wig and what she gave in the end, I see why they cut her the way they cut her, because the layers ate. So once again, I was indecisive about where I wanted the part. Did I want it in the middle? Did I want it on the side? In the end, I ended up doing a side part instead of a middle part. I love the color of this blonde. This is definitely a black girl friendly color. I love the dark root. So this is where I feel like I messed up. Boom. I ended up putting too much wax product on this wig and it became so heavy. It became so greasy. So off camera, I washed. I already had glued the wig onto my head by the time you see it on my head. But I washed all of the wax pomade out and I had to really start over. So I was really fixated on like the side part. I'm like, now I don't like it. It came out really flat. I really love how cute that pomade made this hair tamed, but it wasn't giving volume anymore. It wasn't giving flowy anymore after I put the product on there. Okay, I'm cutting off that lace. Mind y'all, I did not even put no makeup on this hair at all. Like, this was literally me cutting it off and putting it on top of my head. No makeup. Also, I didn't even have to pluck the hairline, so that's a plus as well. And if you want, you can wear her glueless as well. Like I said, off camera, I went on and washed the middle part of my wig. That product weighed this hair down so bad, and I did not like that. So right here, I ended up going to sleep because I was tired. So I ended up making the middle part again. Once again, I'm looking like, okay, I can deal with this. Once I kind of started like, moving her around and, you see I'm straightening her out, I still didn't like it. So I'm like, well, let me go back to the side part. So like I said, y'all see how choppy this wig was. Again, if you are thinking about wearing her straight out the pack like this, I wouldn't. I wouldn't. I would try to style her. I didn't go in and cut her anymore. Like I didn't go in and even the layers or anything. I just wanted to see what it was giving without me doing any type of customization for real. So y'all see I am still fooling with this middle part, even though in the end I'm gonna do a side part. So all of this is literally for no reason. This is me bumping her a little bit and looking at the vision of the hair, and I'm looking like, okay, this is actually pretty cute once you bump them ends, but it's still giving choppy. Maybe I need to have it on the side. And that was the answer, y'all. Like, y'all, look at this hair. Do you see the vision? You see it. You see it. Overall, I really love how easy this wig was to install. Again, I really loved how this blind unit had dark roots. You can wear her glueless. She didn't shed, she didn't tangle. And overall, it just gave a cute, edgy look. I didn't even have a lot of cons, unless the cons were me actually dealing with the choppiness of the wig. But because how it is layered, I understand why it was cut the way it was cut. I will personally give this wig a 9 out of 10. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I would like to thank HAIRVIVI for sending me this unit to review for you guys. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
Corn rich, nigga on A1, maybe back in the A.